Unravel the mystery of English, mastering subject pronouns. Hello, language learners. Today we're going to delve into an essential element of the English language, subject pronouns. Our goal by the end of this video is to help you confidently understand and use them in your daily communication. So, let's unravel this exciting topic together. Subject pronouns are those little words we use every day to refer to the subject of a sentence. They take the place of a noun, and are vital to keep our language from sounding repetitive. The subject pronouns in English are I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. For instance, instead of saying, John is running, you can say, he is running. Here, he is a subject pronoun replacing John. Using subject pronouns is all about context and understanding who or what you are referring to. A golden rule to remember is that subject pronouns always come before the verb in a sentence. For example, she dances well, or we are studying. Remember, I and you are used for singular subjects. He, she, and it also for singular, but when you're referring to a third person, we is used for plural subjects, and they is used when referring to multiple people or things. Sometimes, learners of English can mix up subject and object pronouns. For instance, they might say, her is my friend, instead of, she is my friend. To avoid this mistake, always remember that subject pronouns come before the verb and are the ones doing the action. Also, remember the correct subject pronoun to use in formal situations. It is often used to refer to things, animals, or when the gender is unknown. Using he or she incorrectly could lead to confusion or misunderstanding. And there you have it, a thorough guide to using subject pronouns in English. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering any new aspect of language learning. So, go ahead and practice using these subject pronouns in your daily English conversations. I hope this video has made the concept of subject pronouns clear and easy to understand. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you in our next English language adventure. Happy learning!